First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
This morning we started with temperatures in the teens and single digits. We've recovered pretty nicely here with some sunshine, a few high clouds, getting back into the mid and upper 20s. As we take a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar, nothing showing there. The satellite view showing a few high clouds, and we'll see that with sunshine as we go through the rest of the afternoon. As we check temperatures around the Mesonet network, you see a variety of still some low to mid-teens off to the north and west of us. This is where we still have a snowpack left from day before yesterday, but where we see less snow, temperatures certainly have warmed into the mid and upper 20s, even now 30 degrees down in Burkesville. You throw in a little bit of wind, a light wind coming out of the northeast, a little bit of a breeze at 15 miles per hour in some cases, and that does produce a chilly wind chill factor in the single digits and low to mid-teens across south central Kentucky. Here is a live view down Scottsville Road. We're looking at a mostly sunny sky with some of those high clouds passing by. Current temperature in Bowling Green is at 27. It feels like 20 though, with that northeast wind coming in at 6 miles per hour. We take a view of some of the AAA Systems weather cams. There's Glasgow, mainly sunny. A few of those high clouds behind the Barron County Courthouse. Your temperature at 26. 17 in Litchfield. A few more clouds up in Grayson County, and still lots of snowpack left around there in Grayson County. 17 is your temperature after starting at 6 degrees there this morning. And in Munfordville up in Hart County, you're mostly sunny. You're at 25 after starting with a low of 10 degrees this morning. As we look toward Mammoth Cave National Park, you're seeing a temperature at 26 with a mainly sunny sky. 25, that just went up a couple of degrees now at the Bowling Green Airport. 30s down south where they've had trouble all morning long. Huntsville, Alabama to Birmingham. That's winter storm warnings out now from Huntsville, Alabama to Atlanta, Georgia, over to Columbia, South Carolina, Raleigh, Durham. In fact, it's been a very rough go for these folks all morning long as they've had slide-offs and lots of accidents. You can see the snow as it went through Huntsville, the Muscle Shoals area, just north of Birmingham. Then it changed to rain. Atlanta just had a hit of snow south of there toward Macon, Georgia. As you go down I-75, they're getting just some rain now. Here's a couple of pictures just to show you how bad it was near Huntsville, Alabama. This is the snow as it was coming down this morning. And then you go to Lookout Mountain, Georgia, check out the snow there. It is a different kind of world just a few hundred miles south of us in some of the places that don't normally see this kind of winter weather. So a big weather event for them, and it's not done. This is just phase one of the storm. They're getting a little bit of a break now as high pressure takes over, but phase two of the storm will come through, and this is where the concern will be for additional snowfall, but more of an ice storm for south of Atlanta through the Carolinas over the next 24 hours into the day tomorrow. That's when that system could brush some of our southeast counties with maybe some cloud cover or a flurry, but we're not expecting anything like that around here. In fact, the next few days will be fairly quiet and gradually getting warmer, as you'll see in the 7-day forecast. Mostly sunny for us today, a few high clouds, about 31, then down to 20 for an overnight low tonight. Tomorrow, we may see that flurry or two off to the south and east. Otherwise, mainly cloudy, 38, 44 Thursday, Valentine's Day up to 45. That morning, we may see a winter mix changing over to light rain, a 40% chance of that. 45 on Saturday, and look at the 50s returning for Sunday into Monday, and with that, just a 20% chance of a light rain shower, but at least the temperatures will be at or just above average for this time of the year. We're back with more Midday in just a minute.